Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CRM pipelines with HubSpot for sales teams. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Select pipeline from the drop-down options. Click on Create Pipeline to start setting up a new sales pipeline. Choose a name for your pipeline that reflects its purpose. Define the stages of your sales process by clicking on Add Stage. For each stage, enter a clear and concise name. Set the probability of closing for each stage to reflect your sales data. Use the drag and drop feature to arrange the stages in the order that suits your process. Click on the Create button to finalize your pipeline setup. Next, customize properties for deals in this pipeline. Click on Deal Stages and then on Edit Properties. Add relevant fields such as deal size, expected close date, and decision maker. Save your changes to ensure that these properties are available for each deal. To add deals to your new pipeline, navigate back to the Deals section. Select Add Deal and fill in the necessary information for the new deal. Assign the deal to the relevant pipeline and stage. You can also assign team members to monitor and manage the deal. Keep track of your pipeline's performance using the reporting features in HubSpot. Regularly review and update your pipeline stages based on analytics and team feedback. Ensure that your sales team is trained on how to use the CRM effectively. Encourage them to provide input on the pipeline setup for ongoing improvements. This systematic approach will help streamline your sales process and ensure team alignment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.